What is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Let's begin. Did you know that Bitcoins are deemed as the future of currency, and that is one of the fastest ways to make money in the online world at the moment? However, what exactly is Bitcoin? If you are new to this field or have just heard of Bitcoins, then there's probably a lot of questions on your mind right now. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency. In 2013, this digital currency suddenly shot up in price from $13 to an unbelievable price of over $1,000. Its popularity soared after that. Bitcoins are in fact a kind of electronic money. The first cryptocurrency started circulating in 2009, and over which the government or traditional banking protocols have no control of. In traditional currencies, the decision regarding the amount to be printed depends heavily upon factors such as inflation and is governed and regulated by a central bank. Contrary to this, there is no central authority to regulate Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies' supply and transactions. It is the people's confidence in this digital currency that decides its value. So, the more people who believe in it, the better the demand and the higher the price will go. The use of Bitcoins. You can use Bitcoins to purchase things from people who accept these electronic currencies. Moreover, since these coins are digital, they can even be transferred over the internet through the proper software, thereby leading to successful online transactions. Bitcoins are quite an attractive proposition if you're looking forward to the settlement of international transactions but hate being plagued by exchange rates or bank charges. The aftermath. The wild success of Bitcoin has inspired the launch of a number of other competing cryptocurrencies such as PPC Coin, Frycoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and so on. You can go to Cryptsy.com for a list of tradable and active coins that are available today.
Thanks for watching the last chapter of Bitcoin Gold Rush. We know that there is a lot to learn when it comes to the crypto markets. But there is a totally automated way to earn crypto profits with a secret strategy that works fast and profits consistently, whether the market is up or down. Register at the link above for a free online Bitcoin workshop and receive $10 in Bitcoin just for watching and participating. During this free live workshop, we're going to reveal how to use our proven software solution to quickly launch a crypto profit machine in 2024 that makes money every day and runs on total autopilot. How this system makes money whether crypto is going up or down so you can enjoy consistent, predictable profits without any stress or worry. Multiple examples of real campaigns that run silently in the background 24 hours a day and are banking up to $4,000 per week in profit. The secret technology that makes this all possible and how you can get your first profitable campaign up and running in 60 minutes or less. A behind-the-scenes look at our latest campaign, which generated $8,900 in the first 2 weeks and is on track to make over $100,000 this year completely hands-free. Mind-blowing success stories from our most successful students who have used this method to launch life-changing passive income streams. Why anyone can and should do this. You don't need any previous experience or know anything about crypto investing or trading. Plus, all new reveal of our new premium trade alerts with an 84% win rate. Earlier this year, you could have turned $500 into $39,000 just picking tens of our alerts randomly. Register at the link above and see you there. It will change your life.